Hey everybody, it's Madison, and today I'm gonna show you guys how to make these really cute, chunky glitter clay mouse ears. Alrighty, so what you're gonna need for these mouse ears is a headband. This is our 15mm headband. It's just a little bit bigger than our regular ones, so it's just a little thicker, a little more sturdy. And your clay of choice, I'm using these clays. These are the Just Jack clays. I'm using these black sequin earrings, a bow, and this little mouse jack felt, and some hot glue. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is grab a paper plate and open my clays and put them on there. And kind of spread them around a little bit, but you don't want to be able to like have the glue touch the plate. And then I'm gonna take a mouse ear and you're gonna get your hot glue and put it around the edge. I don't like to go all the way to the edge, but probably like halfway. And you're gonna put the glue on. And then we'll put this over here. And then you're just gonna take and dip it in your clays. Make sure you kind of like press them on there too, or they'll fall off. And we don't want no runaway jacks. Strings. No runaway jacks. And then you're gonna take and get the glue gun again. And now I like to make like little dripping kind of look with mine. So I just go down, little squiggle, not down as far. You can really kind of just do this part however you want, however you think looks the best. And then you're gonna just fill in the glue. With the glue gun. All right, and then straighten those back out and dunk it in there. And you can kind of, at this point, while it's still a little hot, you can mess with it and get it the way you like it to be. And make sure they're like all stuck in there, so they don't go nowhere. We forgot a little bit on the side. And I do a little shaky shake, make sure none of them's gonna fall. And there's one of your mouse ears. So you just do the same thing on the other ear. All right, now that both of our mouse ears are done, we're gonna move the plate of clays and we're gonna grab our headband. So if you really want to make these not be floppy, not fly around, then you're gonna wanna put the mouse ear on the back of the ear, because then when we get the bow, we're gonna go to the front so it is more secure. You're gonna take and glue this edge. And these are a little heavier, so you're definitely gonna want that support. My glue stick's running out. You're definitely gonna want that support of the mouse ears because these are a little bit heavier than the regular mouse ears. So again, you just put them on the back of the ear. All right, now that both of the ears are glued on and pretty much dry, it's time for the bow. So again, like I said earlier, you're gonna want the extra support for these because with the glaze added or the glitter or whatever you choose, it's gonna be a little bit heavier. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take and put a little dollop of glue on the back of the bow in the middle, and then place it in the center of the headband. And for the extra support, you're gonna take and glue the back of the bow to the mouse ear themselves. You're just gonna want that extra stability on the back of the mouse ears, just so it can have that extra support so they don't go flopping all over. Pressing it down. Put my glue gun over here. See, they're just not as floppy because they have that extra support back there. Pick away these little glue gun pieces. And then the next thing that you're gonna want to do, the very last step, is it kind of looks a little plain. So we're gonna add a little jack in the center because he's a mouse. He's a skeleton mouse. Just for a little extra flair, so you can hot glue gun the dot. And honestly, you can leave these without anything in the center if you think there's too much going on. Or you can always add whatever you want. Like in the other pair, we have a haunted house. You can just do whatever you want. You can go with almost any combo that you want, and it'll all work. And just like that, pick away the last few little hot glue gun strings. And just like that, you got yourself a pair of clay glitter mouse ears. I love these for Halloween. You could do them for Christmas, any time of the year really. But these are some of the ones that we made for Halloween. All of these products that we use are available on our website, and they'll also be linked down below. Don't forget to check out our TikTok as well. We posted a different set of mouse ears just to give you some more inspiration. They have glitter in the back. They're glitter mouse ears instead of sequin, and they're just a little bit smaller than these 3.275 ones. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment down below what your favorite holiday tradition for Halloween is. Y'all have a nice day. Bye.